a nail. I'm missing a nail. Girl, it popped out somewhere and I don't know. I forgot to put it back on. But the show must go on. We're gonna keep it rolling. Rolling with the homies.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you guys can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is not every Tuesday and Saturday. You guys get to see me twice a week. And gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit. Like I said, on the pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. Hey. But anyways, y'all, in today's video, I'm gonna try to make this really quick. I want to do an update on my hair. So, I don't know, it's been like probably like a little over a month. Probably even not even a month yet, where I did that video where I told y'all that my hair is starting falling out and I was depressed, I was sad, I was sick, I was in a stupor, honey. It was terrible. But after I had to take a step back and I had to listen to you guys in the comment section. That's why I love you guys. I love you guys so much, because y'all be helping your girl out. There are so many people out there that you just don't know who are suffering with the same things that you're dealing with, and we are so scared to step out on a limb, to take a chance, to take a risk, and not knowing that when you take a risk, you just don't know who you may be helping or who can help you. So you guys have really been helping me, and I have really been taking into consideration all of the things that you all have been telling me to do, and it literally has been working. Now, I did tell y'all that I was gonna start fresh with using the Canvas Beauty brand, so I can get you guys. I want you all to know that this is a bomb line, but I have to reiterate, everything that works for me may not work for you guys, just like things that work for you may not work for me. But that's what I have to tell y'all, because I'm usually like a person that does a 3-month review, because I want to show you guys like over time if it works. But you guys want to know the tea. Boom, bam, boom, go ahead, tell me, Kai, after a week, after 2 weeks, you know. So I'm trying to do better with that. But anyways, going back to the Canvas Beauty brand, since I started over with the Canvas Beauty brand, we're gonna just recap where my hair was like a month ago, when it just mysteriously had fallen out. We're gonna say mysteriously. My hair had mysteriously fallen out. My hair mysteriously fell out about a month ago, and y'all, I was heartbroken. I was sad, because it's like I found this product line, grew my hair was getting thick and all of that good stuff, and then it just overnight it just went to ashes, went to dust, and I was sad. So I picked myself up by the bootstraps, and I was like, you're not about to do this. You're not about to do this. Your hair has been through worse before, and you got it together. You're gonna do the same thing. So I started taking into consideration everything you guys said, and I have the Becky Bible, the ebook from the Canvas Beauty brand, and y'all need to invest in that Becky Bible. I'm gonna leave links to everything from the Canvas Beauty brand that literally the links that I'm gonna have my favorites, and then I'm gonna just have the links to the entire website. But I'm gonna literally that Becky Bible, she goes into details with the things that you can do to help grow your hair. If you have alopecia like I do, if you have, you know, seborrheic dermatitis, if you have psoriasis of your scalp, any hair conditions that you have, you can download that ebook and start from there to your healthy hair growth journey. That's what I've done, that's what I've been doing, and that has been helping me. Now I'm on here today because I did a DIY mask using the Canvas Beauty brand conditioners. I turned it into like an avocado mask, and y'all, I had this thing full. I made me like a good amount supply, and this is going on my 3rd time using it, and it really has been helping. I have been recording like videos from it. Like, I'm gonna show y'all my hair. This is my hair. You guys know, honey, I usually don't like showing my hair on camera, but I need to show y'all that the Canvas Beauty brand is really good, and my hair literally had just fallen out, and it's already like getting the growth back. Like, all of this was complete. When I tell y'all my hair was palm bald, it was palm bald, and I was sick. I was literally sick, but I did take in consideration everything that I got from her. That is a literal hair Bible. You need it. I promise you need it. But I took into consideration everything that she said from that Bible, and you guys, most of you all were saying everything that I needed to do, and I took into consideration with that. I changed my diet. I'm a polo pescatarian now. I'm gonna get into that. We're gonna do another video where I'm gonna explain to y'all what is a polo pescatarian, guy, because we don't know what that is. It's only been a month since I've been doing this, y'all, so look, I'm getting ahead of my time. But it's only been a month since I've been doing it, but I think that it's been helping me because my hair has literally been doing really been doing well with growing back. You guys, I cannot stress enough how bald this area was, and like I told y'all, I usually don't like putting my hair on camera, but I want to show y'all the real tea, and I want to show y'all how it really it really works. And when my hair grows back in this area, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. You're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. It's only been a month, and when it grows back, I know it's gonna be ooh-wee. My hair is really doing good. A lot of you say that it don't work for y'all, but that's the thing. You gotta find a product that works for your hair. Find your product line that works for your hair, and when you find that product line, you notice your growth, honey. I like to take videos and pictures to document my journey, so I can show y'all the proof that something literally does work. But yeah, I just had to come and show y'all that these products really work. Listen, I gotta tell y'all that I am affiliated now with the Canvas Beauty brand, so the links that I'm gonna provide down in the bottom, the links that I'm gonna have down in the bottom are affiliate links, so I will get, you know, a small commission if you guys go and purchase something from that from the brand using those links. Now let me tell y'all, you don't have to use my link, honey. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. I'm not trying to force y'all to use my links, but if you do, it'll be greatly appreciated. If you don't want to give me the coins, you don't have to, but if you do, I will not stop you. Hello. I will not stop you. So yes, I hope this video has helped y'all. I hope that the pictures and the videos that I provide for y'all shows y'all that I'm not lying. I literally had to start over from scratch with my hair, and look, I got a long ways to go, I know, but like I always tell y'all, we're in this together, so we're gonna be documenting this thing month after month after month after month. So I'm gonna keep on updating you all month after month after month after month, so you guys can see that this is the real tea. This is not for fake, this is not for show. My hair is getting back to, well, it's trying to get back to its state, and I know it's gonna take some time. Listen, I know it's gonna take some time. I am someone who's impatient, but I'm learning to be more patient, and you know, that's what comes with it. You know, when you have a hair condition like me, you know, you just gotta pray and ask the Lord to guide you, and he will do that, and he has been doing that for me. And my hair is growing back. Like, your girl was, that area was ridiculously bald, and it was sad because I couldn't even do updos because all of this part it was gone. It was bald. It was completely bald, and y'all know I love me some updos. I haven't been doing any updos because, you know, I do a lot of ponytails, and that can cause some that the clamps be doing something to your scalp, so I stopped doing that, and now I only wear wigs on the days when I want to wear wigs. But a lot of times I'm letting my hair breathe, and the good thing about it is I don't have to go out anyways, because we're still, I don't know about y'all, but I'm still taking this coronavirus stuff very serious, so I don't go out as much as I used to. The only time I'm going out, y'all, is if I have to go to work. Point blank, period. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is a bit of a long video. I'm gonna try to crunch it down, kind of edit it down so it won't be too long. But yes, hope you guys tell me about y'all experience with the look. I'm advocating for my girls who have some hair conditions like me. We're going through. Look, y'all, my camera ended up dying, so I'm using my phone. But like I was saying, y'all, I'm advocating for the girls that have these hair conditions, because honey, I know we go through the ringers with our hair and we just want some healthy hair, and that is what we're, you know, that is where we're working our way to, getting some healthy hair. And that's why I do this. I do this for you. I do this for you girls, and you guys have really been helping my confidence well, I ain't gonna say it's skyrocketing, it's mid-level, because my nerves are really bad, especially when it comes to my hair. You know, putting yourself out like that, it takes a lot of nerve. It takes a lot of nerve, and girl, I built it up and I've been doing this for y'all. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll definitely see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.